In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to track and fix broken links with SEO tools in just a few simple steps. If you've been struggling to find and fix those pesky broken links on your site, stick around, because this quick guide will help you solve that problem fast. And stick with me until the end. I've got an exclusive free trial for one of the best tools for the job, available only to viewers of this channel. First things first, broken links can seriously damage your site's SEO ranking, so tracking them down and fixing them quickly is essential. The good news is there are a variety of SEO tools out there that make the process a lot easier. You can use these tools to scan your site and find all the broken links in minutes. Start by using a tool like Screaming Frog SEO, Spider, or Ahrefs. These tools crawl your site and report back any links that are returning 404 errors or redirecting incorrectly. They'll show you a full list of broken links with URLs, status codes, and the pages they're linked to. Once you've run your crawl and identified the broken links, the next step is fixing them. If you're dealing with a 404 error, the most straightforward fix is either redirecting the link to a relevant page or replacing it with an active link. You'll want to make sure the new link is both relevant and helpful to your users to maintain a good user experience. If the broken link was linking to outdated content or resources, you can either update the link to point to more current content or remove it altogether if the link isn't needed anymore. Now, for some advanced tactics. If you want to make sure you're not missing any broken links across your whole site, use Google Search Console or SEMrush to double-check your backlinks. These tools will show you external links pointing to your site that are broken, so you can reach out to those external sites to get the link fixed or removed. Another great tool is Dead Link Checker, which is an easy-to-use tool for finding broken links across your site. It's simple and doesn't require any complicated setup, making it perfect for beginners. One thing to keep in mind when fixing broken links is that you want to avoid creating too many redirects. Too many redirects can slow down your site's speed, which could negatively impact SEO. Always try to fix the root cause of the broken link instead of relying on redirects for a long-term solution. To make sure you're consistently tracking broken links, schedule regular checks, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, depending on how often your content changes. This will help you stay on top of any broken links and keep your site's SEO in top shape. Now let's summarize what we've covered. First, use SEO tools like Screaming Frog, Ahrefs, or Google Search Console to find broken links. Then, either redirect them to relevant content or replace them with active links. Finally, make sure you're regularly monitoring your site to catch any new broken links before they affect your SEO. The key takeaway here is that fixing broken links is crucial for maintaining a healthy site and strong SEO performance. Use the tools we discussed to track and fix those links quickly and easily, and don't forget to regularly check for new broken links to stay ahead of any issues. And remember, if you want to follow along with the tools I've mentioned, I've got an exclusive free trial link in the description below, available only to viewers of my channel. Don't miss out on that opportunity. That's it for today's video. Make sure to take advantage of that free trial and start tracking and fixing broken links on your site today.